Hey everyone, my name is Myiesha and today's Beauty Newbie video is all about fragrance concentration. We're gonna go over the different types, eau de toilette, perfumes, all that stuff, and I'm gonna teach you which one you might wanna choose and where you might wanna wear them. So we're gonna start with the perfume oil. Perfume oil is actually something that's in all fragrances. It's just in all fragrances in different concentrations. We're gonna start with the highest concentration and move our way down all the way from perfume to a hair mist. So this right here is from Maison Louis Marie. I'll show you that it has a little roller ball on it because you're gonna roll the oil onto your skin, onto your pulse points. And perfume oil is really great for someone who has drier skin, maybe eczema like myself. When I get kind of itchy, I would prefer to use a perfume oil. Perfume oil, because it kind of melts into the skin and moisturizes the skin, higher concentration, it's going to be a bit more longer lasting. I always feel like it's kind of like a sensorial experience. It kind of fits into the body routine very well because it's just luxurious to put on a perfume oil. It is smaller, as you can see, because it's more concentrated, so you can use less of it and it's going to last a really long time. So our next two are eau de parfum and eau de toilette. These are the most common you will see when you are out shopping for a fragrance. Since we're working from the highest concentration to the lowest, eau de parfum, as you can guess, has a higher concentration than eau de toilette. It doesn't mean that you would always choose an eau de parfum over an eau de toilette. So some instances where I would prefer an eau de parfum, maybe I'm going out and I want some compliments. It has a larger radiance to it. It's more intense, it lasts longer. You can really smell those notes for a longer time. Definitely gonna get people saying, ooh, what is that fragrance? It smells so good. It also works really well, like the perfume oil, for a colder climate, for like winter months, things like that, where fragrance can tend to die down and kind of like evaporate off of the skin. With your eau de toilette, what I really like about it is it's more intimate. Sometimes you want a lighter scent that you can smell, or maybe your partner can smell, or someone close to you can smell. If I'm going somewhere very public, maybe I'm in the office and I don't want everybody to smell my lovely, lovely perfume all day, I might wear an eau de toilette. And when you're layering, I always find that it helps to sort of start with the heavier, more long-lasting base and then hit it with an eau de toilette. So for my eau de parfum, I have the YSL Libre Intense. There's also a regular version that's really nice too. Let's go ahead and try this. Okay, so it's like a floral bouquet. I believe it has some orange blossom and some orchid. It's a stunning bottle, classic YSL. Definitely recommend it. Makes a really great gift and looks really good on your vanity. For my eau de toilette, I have a fave of mine. I talk about this a lot just because I love it. It's one of my top five fragrances. This is from Maison Margiela, Replica, by the Fireplace. Chestnuts, vanilla, like clove oil. It smells like the holidays, but I think it's totally wearable all year long. When you apply these, you want to go ahead and hit up your pulse points. So anywhere on the body where you naturally get a little bit hotter, because it'll help to intensify the fragrance. So into the elbows, neck, behind the ears. Some people go the extra mile when they do their body care, behind the knees and the ankles, things like that will intensify the fragrance, make it last longer. Our lightest concentration of all is a hair mist. Hair mist is actually really cool because it can be put in your hair and I feel like it kind of lasts all day. Usually a hair mist has some type of moisturizing product to it, so you're not putting any drying alcohol in the hair. So you can layer on different parts of the body, something in your hair, something on the body, that works too. But a hair mist is really nice because it's a great refresher. Here I have the Versace Dylan Turquoise hair mist. A hair mist is really great because if you don't want to put something directly on your skin, maybe you're kind of sensitive. Like I said earlier, I have eczema, sometimes I don't always want to wear fragrance. You can put in your hair. I feel like the smell, the scent is very pure. It's very tropical, a nice fragrance with like lemon and guava and musk, which is really great. So definitely a crowd pleaser. So hopefully this clarified some things for you. I just love fragrance, I love smelling good. So hopefully I dropped some knowledge for you today. If you want to try these particular fragrances, go ahead and shop the shelf below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll see you next time. Bye.